Hey YouTube, welcome to our channel. We just want to show you a house that we're doing. I got fresh cut floor tam here. It's getting ready to go down. We're doing this for a contractor who has already done all the irrigation. You can see the flags. Show you how nice the sod is.
Lindsay, don't take my picture. I'm too ugly. Nobody wants to see that.
This homeowner just had all this brick done. Looks beautiful. He's doing his whole yard. Got a pallet over here. This will all be sod. As we work our way back, he's got a brand new pool back there. He's right on the golf course. Just a beautiful home, a great job. Getting ready to get the lift taken down and spot all these pallets. Hope you guys have a good day and stay blessed.